Hearings to confirm President Trump's Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh are off to a contentious start. The judge finally got a chance to address the Senate Judiciary Committee after hours of partisan feuding. One key moment came when the father of a slain Parkland student approached the judge but claims Kavanaugh refused to shake his hand.
My judicial philosophy is straightforward. A judge must be independent and must interpret the law, not make the law.
Brett Kavanaugh outlined his judicial beliefs during a raucous first day of Senate confirmation hearings.
Mr. Chairman, I'd like to be recognized for a question before we proceed.
Early on, Democrats called for an adjournment, complaining that thousands of pages of documents requested for the hearing weren't handed over until the night before.
The committee received just last night, less than 15 hours ago, 42,000 pages of documents that we have not had an opportunity to review or read or analyze.
Mr. Chairman, if we cannot be recognized, I move to adjourn.
The American people,
Mr. Chairman, I move to adjourn.
Directly from Judge Kavanaugh.
The hearing was interrupted several times by protesters who were escorted out by security. Many fear his confirmation could mean the end of abortion rights for women and kill Obamacare. Some fear Kavanaugh could decide any future case against President Trump.
The president has handpicked a nominee to the court with the most expansive view of presidential power possible, a nominee who has actually written that the president, on his own, can declare laws unconstitutional.
Another controversy occurred as the hearing adjourned for a recess. That's when Fred Guttenberg, father of murdered Stoneman Douglas student Jamie Guttenberg, approached the judge, extending his hand for a handshake, and Kavanaugh walked away.
I went up to him as a dad, to be quite honest. I don't go home to my complete family anymore. My daughter was killed, and I am really concerned about how he is going to rule on certain things that matter a lot to me, because I don't want to see other families go through what we've gone through.
The confirmation hearing for Kavanaugh continues tomorrow. Fred Guttenberg says he plans to be there.